Oh, great. So Francisca is a DTW alumni who scored 338. Oh my God. Let me see your claps, your thumbs up, your share. 338. How did you do it? Come, share with us. Share with us how you did it. Come. All right. We are listening to you, Francisca, and she's a medicine and surgery student of Unizik. She has gained admission to Unizik. All right. So, Francisca, we are hearing you.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name
Good
is
morning.
Francisca Mary, as everybody knows. I'm actually now like a medical student in Unizik, and I just want to share a few tips of what I did and how I got my score. So honestly, this is not actually my first JAMB per se. It's not. It's actually my fault. And I noticed I was making this mistake constantly. I was not prepared. For all my jams I've been writing, I was not prepared. And I didn't have like a tutorial or a platform that was going to help me to achieve that my dream score. I was just on my own. I was reading without direction then. But finding this tutorial really helped me a lot. So I learned that I had to prepare early. So I had to start around October, November time. That's when I started with DTW. So I followed this 30 days plan and then I read. Then another thing I had was this driving force. She always told us that we should have a score, a dream score, that we should write it down and paste it somewhere you always see. So I wrote mine down. I think I was at home, I would have showed you. I wrote mine down. I wrote then 390 in the group. So she was like, Francisca, can you get that 390? I was like, I would try. I would try. It's not as if I was doubting myself, but that score was really high for me. But I believed that I could get it. So I wrote it down 390 and I pasted it in my room. So anytime I woke up, I actually look at it and I see it. So that thing really helps me a lot. It made me, I'll be like, every day when I get up, I'll be like, this is my score, my dream score. How will I achieve this target? It will push me to read more and more. And I think like keep a clique of friends who are actually academic oriented, those who are ready to learn. Don't keep friends that all they love to do is maybe playing games or maybe watching new movies. They'll be like, have you seen this new episode? No, don't keep those kind of friends. Keep friends that are ready to learn. Those people that will help you in study challenges. They will bring up questions and you will study together. That's the kind of friends that you should keep for yourself. Then for the books I used, before I was using essentials, but through the former seminar that I attended, I used
Yeah.
that essentials are not good for JAMB. That's what we were told. And I didn't know then. So I started making use of the new ones that were recommended. For I wrote it down. For physics, I use LAMLAD, PNOKK, senior secondary physics. Then I use new school physics. Then for chemistry, I use new school. I use understanding chemistry. I didn't really understand LAMLAD, so I didn't use LAMLAD, but I added JAMB Remix and then DTW. And then for biology, I used LAMLAD, modern biology, then JAMB Remix. So we were told that if we did not score high, the speaker of last year told us that if we did not score high, that means we did not invest in ourselves. And that no matter the cost, you should invest in yourself. Make sure you buy books. So then I didn't have much money to buy books, but it was not an excuse. So I went to my friends. I borrowed textbooks. I borrowed their textbook they were not using again. Then I got this PDF of all the books on the DCW Telegram. So when I got them, I was reading them. Then I noticed that there were some apps, like reading on your phone. There are apps that will actually distract you. So what I did, I deleted all the apps. Any app that would distract me, I deleted it. Because I was like, after 3 months without this app will not kill me.
It
So I
will kill
deleted
you.
it to not kill me. So after the exam, then I re-downloaded them back. Another thing I learned from that seminar was jotting. Whatever you read, summarize it, jot them down. Whatever you find out newly, maybe you're solving past question and you find out a question that's kind of difficult and you don't know the answer, jot it down. Whenever you get the answer, write that answer down, underline it. Those things will help you 2 weeks to exam. It's actually going to help you because you're not going to be revising that your test begins. Now your jotter, you're going to focus on. Then for the app, that app also helps. I didn't have the app on my phone because of the phone I was using. I didn't have the app. So I had a friend who had the app on his phone. He didn't actually use DTW tutorial, but I don't know how he got the app. So I became friends with him. I started making use of his app. I'll tell him, okay, let me use your phone for some while, then use my own phone. So I'd say I can make use of that app. So that's what I did. I used the app like 1 month or 2 weeks to exam. That's when I made use of the app steadily. So all these things, not having money should not be your excuse of not reading. Please, let it not be your excuse. Then another thing you should know is that whatever you're doing, put God first. Always put God first. Whenever you're reading, whenever you want to start reading, just pray. Make a little prayer. God, please, I'm about to read. Help me to understand. Give me retentive memory. Give me wisdom. And then you start reading. Anyone you do not understand, you pray to God to help you. Then attend tutorials. Ask your teachers questions. They will explain it further to you. Like in this DCW tutorials, we covered all the scheme, like all the JAMB syllabus. We covered it before the exam. So join the tutorial. It will help you a lot. So it actually helps me. Like I was even working, but though I stopped a month to exam, I had to stop my work because it was not giving me space again to read. So I had to like quit for that moment. Like I took a break. Then I started reading more and more. So that's how right now I'm in school. Yeah, I'm in school. I'm even having a tutorial. This has made me that any tutorial I see that is actually good, I will attend. So I'm having a tutorial and I said by 10, and we're supposed to close by 3. So I said, okay, let me just miss it the first 2 hours and just speak to you. Whatever, anytime you see a tutorial, please attend. They always have experiences to give you. They are going to help you. They're going to give you insights of whatever you need. Like this year is going to give you insight. Please take it seriously. Take it very seriously. You're going to make 300. I believe in you. You can make 300. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's give a round of applause for Fransica. Okay, 338. Give a round of applause. She has shared with us, she said from the webinar we did from our past DTW alumni, she was using, I remember there was 2 people that were using called Essential. Don't use that textbook to prepare for JAMB. Go and keep it somewhere. Are you with me? You heard the textbook she called. All your new school, physics, biology, new school, they are the recommended textbooks.
Amount of hidden facts.
Hidden facts. Hidden facts is for WAEC now.
Oh, okay.
It's mostly for WAEC. And you can just have it around to maybe understand better. Are you with me? But if you want in-depth, for your physics, this science physics, look at this book. Science physics. I don't know if you can see it.
No, I'm not seeing it.
Okay. Don't worry, I'm gonna send the picture, okay? What I'm also trying to do is, don't worry, there's a website we are creating. It's called dtwedustore.com. Okay, we're still working on it, but when you go on the site now, you can buy your YX scratch card and all. But maybe before the year runs out, we'll start selling all your recommended textbook, and we can deliver to you anywhere in Nigeria. Okay, the current edition, all the new editions of your textbook, JAMB recommended textbook, YX recommended textbook, even medical books. Okay, Fransica, you might check out when it's up. Anyway, I'm going to share with you guys, even your medical books, all your nursing books and all that, advanced book, engineering books, we're going to be selling them on the site, on the e-commerce site. We're working on that. So please, for now, get those textbooks. All right. I'm going to share the link to the recommended textbook for your mathematics, for people doing mathematics. Integrated textbook, integrated maths is a very good one for you. Integrated mathematics. Okay. For your biology, let me bring on my table, everything is books. This is your chemistry, new school chemistry. For your biology, modern biology, these are your books for my science people. These are your books to stay. Your invisible teacher, where is it? Visible teacher, where is it? The visible teacher, I think it's far away. It's on my shelf. Okay. Invisible teacher, okay, it's right there. I can't leave there. Okay. And calculation in chemistry made easy. If you're having difficulty in your chemistry, these are the books to help you. Essential biology is not good, though. Henry, it is not. Go and drop that book. Use modern biology or new school biology, please. All right. You can you hear what Toluwani, please go and carry modern biology and read. All right, because it is what JAMB recommended.
What should we use for physics?
New school physics, PNOKK. That's new school physics. That's the PNOKK by PNOKK. And you can also use this book, The Science Physics. Very good book. The Science Physics. Also use it. So don't just buy one book.
What about for art students?
Art students. Hey, my God. My art student, don't worry. I'll get back to you on it. You know, I'm a science person, but I apologize. I would, that's why Tessie, are you here? That's why Tessie is here to give us for art students. Tessie is studying law. Tessie, are you here? Wait, hold on. Let me send her a message. 1 minute.